Hello everyone! Today we're taking a look at an affordable drawing tablet, UGEE Q8W. It's an 8-inch wireless model suitable for drawing studying and basic photo editing. Before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss upcoming reviews. Let's begin. The tablet comes in a simple but neat box. Inside you'll find the tablet itself, a stylus, a charging cable, spare nibs and documentation. Everything is organized nicely and you get a full package ready to use straight out of the box. The tablet is lightweight, thin and comfortable to hold. The surface is matte and feels pleasant to draw on, resembling the texture of pencil on paper. The stylus works without batteries or charging, which is very convenient. No replacements or cables needed. UGEE Q8W is suitable for sketches, practice drawings, note-taking and light photo editing. It supports pressure sensitivity, so strokes look natural and react to how hard you press. You can connect it to a PC or use it via Bluetooth, keeping your desk free from cables. Beginners will feel comfortable too, since the setup is simple and intuitive. The compact format makes it easy to use with a laptop, tablet, or even a smartphone. Great for digital art, handwriting, online learning, and document signing. The stylus glides smoothly with minimal delay, making drawing comfortable. The kit is complete. Nothing extra needs to be purchased. The price is friendly and the feature set is enough for starting out. The working area isn't very large, so professional illustrators may find it limiting. If you've never used a graphic tablet before, you'll need some time to get used to it. In some software, you may need drivers installed to unlock all features. UGEE Q8W is a great entry-level graphic tablet for drawing and learning. It's lightweight, wireless, easy to use, and doesn't require complicated setup. Perfect for students, beginners, bloggers, and anyone curious about digital art. For its price, a very solid way to start working with graphics. Thanks for watching till the end. If you've ever used a drawing tablet, share which one in the comments and tell us whether you tried the UGEE Q8W. Leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next videos.